Welcome to Study Point Online. Here we are discussing some important questions of computer graphics. Our first question is CAD stands for. Given options are A. Computer aided design, B. Calculation aided design, C. Computer aided draft, D. Calculation aided draft. Your correct answer is option A. Computer aided design. It is used to design of buildings, automobiles, aircraft, etc. Our next question, used to produce illustration for reports or for generation of slides. Given options are option A. Animation graphics, option B. Spreadsheet graphics, C. Graphics package, D. Presentation graphics. Your correct answer is option D. Presentation graphics. The presentation graphics are used to produce illustration for reports or generation of slides for use with projectors, commonly used to summarize financial, statistical, mathematical, scientific, economic data for research reports, managerial reports, and customer information bulletins. Next question. A graphics method in which one object is transformed into another. Given options are A. Animation, B. Morphing, C. Design, D. Graphics art. Your correct answer is option B. Morphing. Morphing is a graphics method in which one object is transformed into another. Our next question. In CAD, objects are displayed in block format. Given options are A. True, B. False, C. None. Your correct answer is option B. False. The statement is false because in CAD, objects are displayed in wireframe outline form. Next question. This applies techniques to modify or interpret existing pictures such as photographs and TV scans. Given options are A. Scientific analysis, B. Scientific visualization, C. Image processing, D. Business visualization. Your correct answer is option C. Image processing. So, image processing is used in medical applications for picture enhancement, tomography, etc. It is also used to improve picture quality. Our next question. The major component of GUI. Given options are A. Icons, B. Links, C. Window Manager, D. Cells. Your correct answer is C. Window Manager. So GUI means graphical user interface. The major components is the window manager. To make a particular window active, click in that window using an interactive pointing device. Our next question. A simple technique of X-ray photography. It allows cross-sectional views of physiological systems to be displayed. Given options are A. Photography, B. Image processing, C. Visualization, D. Tomography. Your correct answer is option D. Tomography. So, tomography can be computed X-ray or position emission tomography. It allows cross-sectional views of physiological systems to be displayed. Next question. Producing graphical representations for scientific, engineering, and medical datasets. Given options are A. Scientific analysis, B. Scientific visualization, C. Plot analysis, D. Plot visualization. Your correct answer is option B. Scientific visualization. Scientific visualization is the term used for doing the same. It is used in various science-related fields. Next question. A set of libraries that provide programmatically access to some kind of graphics 2D functions. Given options are A. Graphics package, B. Formatting package, C. Animation package, D. Design package. Your correct answer is option A. Graphics package. A set of libraries that provides programmatically access to some kind of graphics 2D functions comes under the graphics package. Their types are GKS, PHIGS, etc. Our next question. GKS stands for, given options are A. General kernel system, B. Graphics kernel system, C. Graphics kernel software, D. General kernel software. Your correct answer is option B. Graphics kernel system. GKS graphics kernel system is the first graphics package. It was accepted by ISO and ANSI. Thank you.